Eurjpy for the new month. First of all, to my Eurjpy traders, happy new month. Uh, we're on to month of September. Okay, so now taking a quick look at Eurjpy, you can see that last month we spiked into, we spiked as far as 155.00. Okay, a key monthly area on this pair. You can see that was the previous low on the monthly time frame, which as you can see had a very sharp rejection back all the way above 160 and then 161 to 50. So with that said, I'll leave a link to my previous monthly analysis, which where you will see where I more or less called out this rejection. Okay. So now from this, you can see that we're still very much in a buyer's market because if you zoom out, you can see we are slowly pushing to the upside, slowly pushing to the upside. Okay. So we could still see price push to the upside on this step. Now breaking that down on the weekly last week you can see that last week we had a quick rejection. Okay, we traded into 160. So this was the weekly rejection for both of our by the way. So last week we traded into 160. Okay, and found like a support just above 161 to 50 right there with a bullish candle, very bullish. So we now know that we're in a bullish trend on the monthly. The momentum on the weekly is gradually turning bullish. So that's still another confirmation for us to know that the market could push to the upside for this coming month. Okay. Uh, so seeing how the monthly is trading right now, you can see we had a very large rejection for um, the monthly rejection and then close the month after holding. So we didn't see enough momentum even after this fall. Okay, we could have expected this fall to continue, but see how for the next few weeks we just saw a quick rejection of the area there, more or less signals to us that this selling move would come to an end soon. Okay, so on the daily time frame, breaking that down on the daily time frame, you can see the daily we had sort of higher low area here from I think upper week. Okay, and this was the Fibonacci I drew on. Okay, seeing that if price could break below the support area, then we could see the selling momentum continue, but eventually we did not. Okay, we did not break below this region here, so uh, we could still see. Following the way last week closed, you can see last week closed really bullish. Okay, with that rejection, so we could more or less expect a new bullish left to the upside. And also following the way the monthly close, you could see a push to the upside as well on this pair. So with that being said, we want to mark out the lows of last week, which would be somewhere around 160. Okay, so seeing the 160, okay, rejected price there, we mark the lows of last week. Now taking it down to daily time frame as well, also want to mark the lows of the last bullish candle here. Okay, so the reason I'm marking out these areas is because these areas are areas of kind of support on these time frames. Because if price trades below these regions, then obviously we could be looking to go in a totally different direction. Now, breaking down the 4 hour, you can see that the low on the 4 hour, more or less, on Friday had a break of structural area right there where we had lower low, lower high, came back down to the downside and then traded above the region, which was more or less where we saw buyers took over the market here, breaking above 161 to 50. So now with that, I could expect this we could expect this price to push to the upside. Okay, and seeing that we already had bearish closure here, we could now draw out a Fibonacci type setup here, A to B. Okay, with that we could see price reaching to 161 to 50. Okay, we could see price reaching to this region and then to continue to the upside. Of course, we have other resistant areas like right here. okay, to take note of, which more or less correlates with 61.8, 21%, sorry. Okay, and if we could sustain a closure above this region, we'll be looking at 62, 162,500, guys. So, that's what I'm looking at for on this pair for the week. I'll keep you guys updated to on any new setups. Okay, uh, that's just the video, guys. Subscribe to the channel and have a good trading week.